Bismillah. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Alhamdulillah. Salatu wassalamu ala rasulillah, amma ba'd. Hello everyone. Welcome back to another video on this second semester of 8th grade. Today I would like to give you guys a tutorial about how to make a simple hardware simulation in Wokwi and also the code. So I want to explain to you, before we start, I want to explain to you what is Wokwi. So Wokwi is a simulation, is a platform for simulation of IoT. And here there are many boards. One of them is Arduino ESP32, Raspberry Pi, and others. And you can also use Wokwi for VS Code. So here I would like to show you a tutorial on how to make a new code or a new project. So first we click on this profile and go to My Projects. Then we can click on New Project. Now we would like to start with ESP32. And for the beginner templates we use Arduino. So here is going to be the simulation and also the code of the Arduino. So here I would like to explain some of the functions. So here for the code, for the void setup part, is going to be the code that is used for the start of the code, and for the void loop is going to be the inside of the code. Okay. So I'd like to show you how to put inside, how to put a new part. So here you can click plus, and then you can search for an LED, for example. Okay, here. Now this is how you would connect the cables on this hardware simulation from the LED to the board, which is the ESP32 board. So here there are two feeds here. This is going to be the positive and this is going to be the negative. First, you can connect the negative to 5 volt, and then this one, click on it, and then you can connect to any pin. Make sure the pin is the numbers, not the pins with the names like this GND or CMD, but the pin is a number. Okay, after that you can add another new part. You can also add another LED if you want, but I want to add something which is going to be used for our tutorial today, which is this one, the ultrasonic distance sensor. So what is an ultrasonic distance sensor? Well, as like the name, this ultrasonic sensor is used to detect your distance, like your distance from the sensor and your hand, for example. So this is going to be the sensor and this is the hand, and the sensor will detect your distance between them. Okay. Oh yeah, I forgot to mention, the LED, you can change the color just by clicking the LED. There are a variation of numbers. Here you can change the color. Maybe I would like to use the color orange for the LED. Okay. Now we would like to connect the ultrasonic sensor to the ESP32 board. So actually, before I continue, there are 4 pins here, or 4 connectors. First is VCC. So what is VCC? VCC is basically 5 volt in the ESP32 board. So it's used for receiving power, or giving power. Like the plus on the battery. Like in the battery you'll find like a plus and a minus sides, and the plus is VCC or 5 volts and the minus is ground. So you can connect this to 5 volt, and then for a trigger it's going to be a pin connect to the pin. So what does the trigger do? What the trigger does is to receive information or receive data. Sorry, the trigger is for giving data. So how the ultrasonic sensor works is that the trigger here from the two circles here on the board, if we do the trigger, it will send information, and then it will bounce off the information, and then it will be received by ultrasonic sensor again. And that's how the ultrasonic sensors receives information via high frequency sounds. So we can connect to the echo, and the echo, for the function of the echo, is to receive information, as like I've said before, and the ground is to connect to the ground. Okay, now that the simulation of the hardware is done, now we can try to make the code. So here we're going to change the serial dot begin to 9 seconds and delete the printed. Now we would like to insert pin mode. So what is pin mode? Pin mode is to define what pin will be used. So here I will use, because the trigger 18, so because trigger is for giving data, it's an output, same as the echo. So the pin is 19 for the echo, so we enter 19, and then because echo is receiving information or data, it will be input. Don't forget to add these dots. Now that that's done, we can insert another code here. We can insert here. If you insert digital right, you can write example. Insert another one. And because the LED is giving information, it will be also an output. Okay, let's try the LED first. If we play, so before we start, actually we write the code for digital write, so it's going to write the information. Then hi, sorry, low. So why is it low? So it means that it will give information to the LED, because the wire is in the 5 volt, which is low. If it does not work, that means it's high. Okay, so maybe I had made some mistake here. So actually the 33 pin that's connected, this one should be connecting to the pin, yes, correct, 33. But this should be connected to the ground, if I remember correctly. Let's try playing it. See, now it will turn on. Yeah, so maybe that's probably a little bit of my tutorial for today. Thank you. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.